Introducing Jumpi, the 3-in-1 portable jump starter, vacuum cleaner, and power bank for your car. There's no better companion for your car than Jumpi. It's the only car vacuum that keeps you clean, safe, and connected no matter what the road has in store. Don't let a dead battery kill your day. Jumpi can jumpstart your car in minutes without dangerous old-school jumper cables. Shockingly bad standard jumper cables are almost as terrible as our puns, and they require another vehicle for a jump. Jumpi's low-voltage jump and reverse polarity protection makes it the safest and easiest way to restart your battery. Just attach the clamps to your car battery and then just start your car. A simple one-step process that's easy to follow. Portable and handheld, Jumpi's the most practical jump starter you'll ever have. Jumpi's high-powered car vacuum makes it easier than ever to make your car sparkle. Its cordless design and attachments leave no cranny uncleansed, no matter what horrors are lurking in the depths of those seat cushions. Jumpi is the Arnold Schwarzenegger of vacuums. It's more powerful than any other vacuum in its class, but it also has a gentle side. Jumpi is 50% quieter than other car vacuums, so you can clean up without waking the baby or upsetting the dog. Disposing of clogged canisters and dust bags is unpleasant and just plain gross. Jumpi's antibacterial handle and no-touch dirt disposal allows you to get rid of all that dust with a simple click. And no bacteria or allergens will find their way back. Whether you're in an emergency or just need to get online, you need your devices to be charged and ready. Jumpi has your back. With its built-in power bank, call a mechanic, get back on GPS navigation, or post some classic road trip selfies. With Jumpi, you'll always be connected. With fast charging and enough juice to charge your iPhone, Samsungs, iPads, and everything in between, you'll never be alone on a dark road or social media blackout. Jumpi is the perfect companion for all cars and all drivers. It's the perfect accessory for those who need a clean and safe vehicle, such as Uber drivers, business travelers, busy parents, road trippers, car enthusiasts. Don't leave home without a way to protect yourself in an emergency and keep your car squeaky clean. Don't leave home without Jumpi, your 3-in-1 car safety companion.